A package a day, keep the doctors away. Yes, today this is the package. Woohoo! La 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 la. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So for the last 3 days, I receive a package a day, literally. So the first day, I received this Pop Marvel Zombies. It's a zombie Deadpool. And I can't remember what I ordered from Disney Movie Insiders. So let's have a look. I know for sure it's the Pop vinyl Pop figure, but I can't remember which one I ordered. So oh yeah, this is the Darth Vader. Cool. Looks so cute. It's a cute Darth Vader. Nicely detailed. Just like any other Pop figurines that I've ever purchased and collected. And now it's the big one. I don't know why is this so big. I mean, I ordered something that's bigger, but I never realized it's this big. Wow, it is that big. It's the goat boat from the latest Thor movie. Wow, this thing is gigantic. Cool. This is the first one of the Pop vinyl figurines that is this big in my collection. So let's go downstairs and have a look at my collection. Tiny one, but it is a collection indeed. Before I received this goat boat, this Disney World 50th anniversary Goofy and Dumbo was my largest one, but it's not anymore. I put my Darth Vader right next to Steamboat Willie, Mickey, Chester Cheetah, and the Energizer Bunny. I put my zombie Deadpool way at the top because I just simply don't have any more space, followed by Honey Smack's Diggum Frog, and this is Stitch. This Baymax, I purchased it not because I like Baymax that much, but because this is a bootleg Pop version of Power Bank shaped like Baymax. And now one of my favorite, well actually not one of, but the favorite Zoltar, the coin op fortune teller. And this has nothing to do with Pop, but it's under fabrications. But I have this Yoda here. I don't recall even getting this. I don't know why I have this. Addams Family, Gomez Addams, and Pugsley Addams. I really don't know. I don't recall buying these at all. But then again, it seems like I collect everything that I can put my hands on. It's a bit too much. Quite a waste of space and resources. But I like it, so... well, so what? More of my collections here. Just really random. And another Funko Fabrications series of Stormtrooper this time. Typical of me, I have Colonel Sanders with a bucket of chicken. And I have the polar bear from Coca-Cola. BB-8, of course. And Captain America. followed by Goofy. I just love Goofy. And this particular figurine is exceptionally goofy with Donald. I bought this, I think, just because it's really cheap. But here are the rest of my collection. Looking at my collection, I really should stop collecting. This is just way too much stuff. Way too much. But hey, what can you say? I love my stuff. So what do you think about my junk collection? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. And click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And oh yeah, don't forget to click the notification button so the next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.